Hey everybody, this is the house with the very funny, funky looking paint. I want you to see what it looks like. It looks vacant. Look at the mailbox. The mailbox looks messed up, bent up looking. Glass is pretty high. The lady got trash around the house. The roof looks very old. But then you look at this house right here, next door, it's pretty much clean. So it's a nice neighborhood. You see a nice neighborhood, but it's a house that looks kind of like an ugly duckling. This is the ugly duckling house. This is the house that I'm looking for as far as houses that I want to be able to use or fix up, either to do a fix or flip or to fix it up and utilize it as a rental property. So this is the house right here. I'm going to take pictures of it. Well, since I'm the investor, I'm not going to take pictures of it. I'm going to be the one that just send a message to the property owner. But anyway, this is the house that I'm looking into getting. We'll see. Hopefully the investor who is the owner of the house or the property owner of the house will budge and agree on allow me to purchase the house. Alright you guys, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up or comment on the video. Thank you. Bye.